Okay, so here we are, we're looking at transformations of shapes on a set of coordinates. Here you can see a trapezium, the shape in green, labelled A with 4 corners or vertices labelled A, B, C and D. And what we're going to do is, to start off with, you can see the instructions in the top left hand corner of the screen. We're going to translate shape A 3 to the left and 4 down. So if we start off with the corner A, that is going to look something like this. We go 1, 2, 3 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So that is my new A, and let's just call him A apostrophe. And if we do that to all 4 corners of the shape, we're going to end up with this. That would be my new B. C is going to be up here, and D is going to be here. So we can now join those up. And we've got our new translated shape, which we've labelled B. So let's just fill him in. And then let's look at the reflection. Here we're being asked to reflect shape A in the x-axis. So that's this one here, the horizontal axis. And all we're going to do is take each corner and we're going to move them to the line that we're reflecting in, say the x-axis, and then the same distance away from that line. So if we start off with A, that would be 1 to the line, so he's going to move 1 away from the line. B, 1 to the line, 1 away from the line. C is 3 to the line, so he's going to be 3 away from the line. And D is 2 to the line, so he's going to be 2 away from the line. And again, if we just join those points up, we have our new shape. Okay, which we're going to label C. And finally, we're going to look at the rotation of shape A, 90 degrees, so that's a quarter of a turn clockwise, so that is going in this direction here, clockwise, about the point B, about the point 3,1, which is where B is. And what that means is, as we rotate it, the point B is going to remain stationary. Okay, so that is going to look something like this. We're going to try to hold the point B stationary, and the other 3 points are all going to move 90 degrees, quarter of a turn clockwise. So that will look something like that. Okay, so those are the 3 different transformations that we need to know about. When we do the rotation in the lesson, when we practice in the lesson, we will be using tracing paper, which I think will make life much easier for you guys. And what we'll be doing is we'll be keeping our pencil on the point B as we rotate the whole piece of tracing paper 90 degrees. Okay, and hopefully that will all become clear as we have a go at it later on.